I'm Kathy Thompson. I'm the interior decorator here at the Landmark.
We're so excited to offer you our exclusive complimentary 1-hour consultation with Kathy, only available to Landmark residents. More people are choosing apartments rather than owning because they desire a more carefree lifestyle and value their time. Your space can feel like a home with personalization and details that don't have to be expensive or even new. Right, Kathy?
Sure. There are a few really easy things you can do to decorate your home. First, I would say personalize it and make it a place that welcomes you after a long day. That doesn't mean you have to run out, spend a bunch of money, and buy new furniture just because you have a new home. This can be as simple as rearranging your existing furniture or finding a purpose for a piece you already have. I have a client who wanted to redecorate her bedroom. She was going to be receiving some new bedroom furniture from a family member, but she had this bedside table that she said to me, hey, this bedside table's been in my family for years. It has sentimental value to me. It was my mother's and it was her mother's before that. So if we can, I'd really like to keep this bedside table. As we get her new furniture in and we start decorating, as new furniture sometimes is, the bed set a little bit higher and her older table set a little bit lower. So it was obvious that really wasn't going to work. And she was really disappointed and said, I'm really disappointed that this table isn't going to work. I really wanted to use it. And I said, but hey, if you really love it, let's find a place for it. Let's find another place in the house that we can use it. So we start going around the house, and sure enough, in her living room between two chairs was the perfect place for that table. And afterwards she said, I'm really glad that we were able to use that table. It just really meant a lot to me. And she thought, I never thought of using that table in any other way other than a bedside table, because it's just what my mom had done and my grandmother had done. So it worked out really well that we were able to just replace that in a different area of the home, and it worked out. So sometimes if you can just think outside the box a little bit, you can really give new life to an old piece of furniture just by placing it in a different location.
So Kathy, what's the most important aspect of decorating in your opinion?
Well, Chelsea, styles and design are always changing and often. I think the most important aspect of designing your home is that it reflects your style, who you are, and your personality. So don't be afraid to use the old with the new and mix your metals and layer with texture, because when you do these things, it will really enhance and complement your home. Another simple and easy way to make a big impact is mirrors and rugs. Mirrors are a great way to add instant light to your living space. Mirrors really are so versatile and can be used in any room. And with so many frame designs out there these days, they can suit any style from traditional to modern. And then there's rugs. I love a good rug. They give warmth and add great texture, color, and personality to your home. I really think that rugs can be a game changer on how a room looks and feels. They can make a statement in any home. So these are a few simple and easy tips to transform your home into your own personal sanctuary.
Thank you, Kathy. For more information, give us a call, check out our website, or stop by and visit us.